In Brussels, External Affairs Minister S. Shankar said terrorism is a global threat, not just an India-Pakistan issue. He criticized Pakistan for sheltering Osama bin Laden and urged the West to reflect on past actions. He also promoted India as a reliable economic partner and supported balanced, multipolar global cooperation. In a shocking twist to the Meghalaya honeymoon murder case, an undated video has emerged showing accused Sonam Raghuvanshi smiling alongside with her alleged lover, Raj Kushwaha. Both are now under arrest in connection with the murder of Raja Raghuvanshi. According to claims, Raj used to publicly refer to Sonam as a sister to hide their suspected affairs. Accused Sonam's brother, Govind, denied any premarital relationship between Sonam and the victim's Raj. He claimed that Raj had tied a Rakhi to Sonam for 3 consecutive years, symbolizing a brother-sister bond. Govind firmly stated Sonam is responsible for the murder. As COVID-19 cases rise in India, RT-PCR tests are now mandatory for ministers meeting with PM Modi. This includes today's meeting with BJP leader from Delhi. Official sharing stage with the PM at rallies must also test. Kerala has reported its highest single-day COVID-19 rise with 170 new cases and 3 deaths. The state now has 2,223 active cases, the highest in India. Health Minister Veena George also said many patients have other health issues. Meanwhile, hospital must ensure oxygen and test patients. Jammu and Kashmir Lieutenant Governor Manoj Sinha urged all devotees of Baba Amarnath to come in large numbers. He said the yatra will begin on July 3. For safety, the Jammu and Kashmir Police, Army, CRPF and other agencies have made strong and proper arrangements for the pilgrims. In April, the Supreme Court ruled that the President must decide on bills kept by governors within 3 months. Speaking at Oxford, CGI B.R. Gawai praised the Constitution as a quiet revolution that empowers the oppressed, but warned that court must not cross limits, saying judicial activism shouldn't become terrorism. Elon Musk on Wednesday said he regretted his recent harsh post about the US President Donald Trump. The online fight has gone viral last week. Musk has criticized Trump's tax bill. Though Musk deleted some posts, Trump warns of consequences if Musk backed Democrats. Musk earlier funded Trump's 2024 campaign. After a cargo ship caught fire off Kerala's coast on June 9, China thanked India for rescuing 18 crew members, including 14 Chinese nationals. 4 men remaining missing. The Indian Navy and Coast Guard acted quickly. The ship is drifting, and authorities are tracking it due to oil spill risk. Goldie Barar, a key accused in Sidhu Moosewala murder, admitted in an interview that he planned the killing. He accused Moosewala of arrogance and backing rivals. Barar, a Lawrence Bishnoi aide based in Canada, in a UAPA terrorist and remaining activist despite an Interpol Red Corner notice.